friend, welcome to Technology channel. If you're new to join my channel, please subscribe me first. For subscribing, you need to enter with Gmail or email. For seeing the last video, you must subscribe my channel. Okay. Today I want to speak about backup and restore and show you how to set a backup and restore it. First, we go on the search menu and go on the control panel and backup and restore. In the earlier version of Windows, you must go to the start menu and search backup and restore, or you can go on the control panel and in administrator tools and go on the backup and restore. This backup and restore are related to Windows 7. Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10 and 11 used the base Windows 7 backup. Okay. Go on the setup backup, click on it. Where do you want to save your backup? You can't save backup on your C drive because after installation window, your file be deleted. You can set a backup on external hard drive or another partition. For setting a backup, you must split the drive. In the last video and previous video, I speak about how to split your partition and split your hard drive into 2 and 3 parts. Now, we want to save the backup. Every place that you choose to save the backup, you don't get a backup. I want to set a backup on my E drive. Okay, click on E for saving my backup and click on next. Let Windows, this is all Windows library and software, and let me choose your drive and the place you want to set a backup and custom choose. Okay, go, let me choose. Okay, click on next. Here the place that you want to set a backup, and where do you want to backup? I choose D drive and click on next and save setting and run backup. Before we do this, I want to create a text file. Let's cancel it and do the process again. Use Windows logo plus E. Okay, don't work at this place, or go to recycler bin and this PC and create a file or text in drive D. For example, write test file. Here, test file, and save it. Okay, the file save. Because the drive was empty, I create a text file. Okay, do the process again, set a backup. Go on the control panel and backup and restore and set a backup again. Okay. Better to have an external hard disk. If you don't have, you can write on removable media or my E drive that save the backup, and let me choose. Click on next, click on D drive, select it and click on next and save the setting and run a backup. Okay. If you have a more file, you need a more time to set a backup. Please wait to process finish. If your Windows have a problem or you lost your file, you can restore your software and all file and back to the time that set a backup. You can set a backup from Windows 7 to Windows 11 from control panel. Okay, the job finished. You can click on restore my file and see the last backup. Here the time of last backup, for example 3 p.m. at this date, at this time. You set last backup. You can create a scheduled backup and you can set a backup for another partition. But the partition you save a backup and create a backup, we must not same. You can save the backup on C drive because if you install it in Windows, the C drive file may be lost or lose your file in C drive or the drive you install Windows. Better to install and save your backup in the partition like external hard disk. or another partition that have a free space enough free space. For creating the backup, you need more space than the place you backup. Here's some detail about the backup. Next backup, last backup, content, and schedule. Every Saturday you create a backup again. Okay, now we want to delete the file and restore the backup. Go on this PC, right click, delete, okay, close, and npt recycle bin. Now the file completely deleted. Restore my file, choose a different day, okay, click on OK, and was for file, was for folder. Okay, select the folder and this file. Add a file and click on next. In the original location on the right or in following location, the place that we want to restore. Click on original location, restore, view restored file. Okay, the file back. Really? Excellent. This is backup and restore of Windows. Enjoy this video. Please suggest my channel to your friend and subscribe me.